Hello, welcome back to my channel. The channel that celebrates elegance, confidence, and the timeless fashion for women over 50. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the most inspiring mature fashion icons redefine beauty every day. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the sensational Dolly, the Milan fashion queen who is a turning head and a breaking norm at 56. Dolly Bird is a living proof that true style never fades. With every photo she shares, she shows the world that age is just a number, and confidence is the most beautiful thing woman can wear. On Instagram, you'll find her at the Dolly69, where she's gained over 130,000 fans who can get in out of her classic looks, love for nuance, and high-heel glamour. Her content is a celebrity of a self-expression, mature beauty, and fearless femininity. Known for her position for Milan fashion, Dolly's status is a stocking type and the elegant hosiery that elevates her outfits with grace and charm. She effortlessly combines vintage glamour with modern age, proving that sophistication and bold style go hand in hand. Dolly Bird represents the beauty of natural mature women who embrace their age with pride and confidence. As a leading over 50 model and fashion content creator, Dolly continues to inspire women to step into their power, embrace their style, and live with elegance, self-love, and freedom. If Dolly Bird's story touched your heart, show your support, like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for your watching. Thank you and goodbye.